Howdy, working on the wife's Mercury Mountaineer. This is a 2003. This fix should work for any 2002 to 2005 Mercury Mountaineer or Ford Explorer with this problem. What the problem is, hopefully in the glare you'll be able to see this. That's the liftgate thing there, and it's 22 years old, and I guess it decided to crack. So, as you can see, every time you lift this up, it's putting stress on that. So we're going to replace that piece. The other problem, which I have to fix because my wife doesn't like it, is the cracking on the back panel, but that's a project for another day. All right, so this is the replacement part. I got it on Amazon. It was about 70 bucks. It did come painted to match. It's available in a few of the popular colors. This is Harvest Gold. The product, let's see if this will focus here. Advanced ignition upgraded, rear tailgate license plate shield handle metal bracket compatible with Ford Mercury 02 to 05 Explorer and also of course the Mountaineer. It comes with an additional metal bracket in there, which gives it some additional support, so hopefully it won't crack. And looks like it should be just 4 bolts. Let me walk back out there. All right, trying to get a good angle here so you can see how this thing's hooked on. It's basically just 4 bolts holding that bracket on. There is a push button that we're gonna have to deal with. Probably just popping off the plastic and hoping it don't break. And I have the latch open, so it makes it easier for that part to come off. I'm gonna go find a wrench and we'll see how hard this is. All right, pardon the side noise there. There's some construction going on in the area. All right, so it is a 10 millimeter. Basically just gonna use a nut driver, get that bugger out, move the 4 bolts. Easy enough. All right, so that whole thing came off pretty quickly and easily. Looks like the only thing else we need to get off here is that little push button, which opens the rear latch. Looks like it's some very small Phillips head screws. So at least it's not little plastic clips that I know I'm gonna break. So I'll go get myself a little screwdriver. There is a little push tab on this connector here to separate it. So now I'll bring this into the garage and see if I can deal with removing that button there. And it does look like we have a bit of the original part number on there. It looks like a 3277642. Harvest Gold Shield is the OEM part number on this. All right, I did notice some more markings in here. I guess this is officially called a Liftgate Eyebrow. All right, now that I'm out of the sunlight, I can see we do not want to mess with those screws. And there are 2 little tabs there that I should be able to push in and then pop this thing right out here. I'm not going to try and film that because I only got 2 hands. All right, I've been messing around trying to get those 2 little tabs in there free. I don't want to break the tabs. The piece itself is disposable, so I am moving to a slightly more destructive solution with a pair of tin snips. All right, so that was a little bit easier. Just cut around it, made sure I didn't do any damage to the seal, and we now have that little push button extracted. This bit I might actually be able to do one-handed, but basically, slap your bugger in there, and push it into place till it clicks. And that's the hardest part of your job is now done. Now we're just gonna throw this bugger back on the Mountaineer. And I just wanted to show quickly what it looks like with that little mounting bracket in place, or reinforcement bracket, I should say. Now it should just be 4 bolts and we'll call it a day. All right, it's now about 15 minutes since I started doing this, and this thing's replaced. Nice easy fix. That piece of metal is nice in there. Close the... close that down. And I'll take a look on the underside here. So just when you put it back on, run a screw by hand on the metal bracket first so you don't gotta mess with that. But it is all back together. And we have a nice strong liftgate handle again. All right, I'll put a link to that product on Amazon in the description. I do make a small commission if you buy anything through that link, just so you know. And this was a nice, easy 15-minute project to fix half of the issues that I have on the rear of the Mountaineer. As far as the upper bit here, I don't know if I can just get that wrapped, because if you want to take that thing off, it is freaking epoxy to the glass, and I don't really want to deal with that. So, but if this helped you out, hey, like, subscribe, whatever, and y'all have yourselves a great day.